I just wanted to give you guys an update on my seedlings. Excuse the toys in the background. I had an issue in my greenhouse with my heating source and it got down to below freezing here. So I had to bring them inside. So right now they're in my kids' playroom. Um, we can see the herbs are coming along. I had some valerian here that came up and then it died back. I think it might have gotten dry one day, so I need to resow that. My red Creole onions came up, but my other two onions did not, so I need to resow those. I'm not sure why they didn't come up. Same thing with this eggplant here. This one is the early long purple, and I thought I saw it come up, but then it died back. This little wild thing is a tomatillo. It's the only one out of the 3 cells that came up. And unfortunately, the light source in here is far away, so it's getting a little leggy. So hopefully, it's supposed to warm up in the next few days. I'm just going to take them all out to the greenhouse again, and they should be fine. Let's see. Our Querida F1 hybrid tomatoes are good. Kellogg's Breakfast are great. Very good germination on that one. So I think I got almost 100% germination on this variety. Sunrise Bumble, they're doing pretty good. That one right there is a little late, but it's coming along. These honeymoon hybrid, honeycomb hybrid tomatoes, they're good. Germination rate is great. So are the Martinez Roma. The Roma tomatoes here, 2 out of the 3 came up. And these Amish paste, all 3 of those came up. This one is my beefsteak. So I had one that come up. This one that's trying. I'm going to resow this cell. Now onto the peppers. Unfortunately, my results or my germination rate on these peppers is not good. I've planted these long enough ago that they should be much further along. I'm very disappointed. And the sweet gypsy peppers and the orange bell peppers, these were all seeds that I saved from store-bought starts last year. So I am a little disappointed that they didn't come up. So I'm going to purchase seeds, my purchase seeds, instead of using the ones that I sowed, or excuse me, using the ones that I saved. Yet again, having trouble with germination on this pepper that I can't pronounce. Zero germination on that one. I don't know why. California Wonder, not very good germination there. The Sugar Rush Peach, no germination, which I was shocked by, because those seeds are not old. And these poblano peppers, they're coming along, but just slowly. These jalapenos are also coming along, just slowly. So that is the update for my seedlings for the summer 2023 garden. Have a beautiful day, everybody. Bye-bye.